Hello, I'm Hadris with WTI and I am super stoked to show you this awesome watch. Seriously, it's so cute. I'm loving all the little details, the color, the design, honestly, everything about it. Then kinda silvery, it goes with any outfit, whether it's daytime or nighttime. And speaking of nighttime, it's easy to read even in the dark, which is handy. To open and close it, you just gotta snap each part into place, super simple. I'm just head over heels for all the little details, like those cute little diamonds instead of numbers. It adds such an elegant touch. And all the other little touches make it perfect in my book. And that's my point of view.